Okay. So we can some advanced enhancements like UI structure different. So apart from that internally, they have enhanced some other features also. But that is not required for us. So if you want to see the difference, you may. Okay. One we are doing is more of a Defender certification, right? So yeah, first you need to complete Trustee. It's free of cost. Then you can go for a Defender and Center at one time. Okay. I did. So, Sentry Defender. CD. CD. Okay. Cyberark delivery. Okay. But that's the last one. After that you have one more, that is a Guardian. Cyberark Guardian. So that is the top level. But it is again. We need to go to Cyberark University there. We need to take some class or something. Some different model. Right. Right. That will be around 2. Wow. Okay. Who do that? Just for curiosity. Architects will do. Okay. In US, UK, we have some vendors who will explicitly work on security. Those kind of people will do, and they will support to some big companies. Complementary workers. Right. Okay. One of the architects. I did Trustee. I recently cleared the Trustee exam. Cyberark. You need to go to notification settings. So I can cancel. Notification settings. So first it is Trustee, then Sentry, then Defender. Is it Trustee, Defender, Sentry? Okay. Trustee, Defender and Sentry. Now expand notification templates. So here we have all the templates. So, in case, if it is a dual control configured, then you will get an email notification stating that you need to approve the request. Safe access request. Password access request. So all the templates are here. Just a scroll down. I'll click on any one of the template. You can see the message on the right hand side. Safe access request. Yeah. Here's the DRCR is the first name, last name, that will fetch from your login ID and a safe access request is pending your approval. Like that. You will get an email notification. Basically, we will have to consume of whatever is listed here, right? Yeah, so already by default it is configured. So, in case you want to change the template, you need to come here and you need to put it in the body. Okay. So where is it for the world by itself? We can configure which one cyber or DR. If it is not running, you can see. No, not the DR part. Anything in general, maybe these services that's all done only through SNMP. You said right. But for saying, no, the vault monitoring parameters like CPU utilization, the RAM, the service. So this is related to SMTP. SMTP. That's what I think, okay. Any one instance, maybe we could just go. Anything you could say. I didn't get. So what you are asking? I just want to see a couple of more options. About to expire. Okay. Here you can see, DR replication is not running. Backup replication is not running. So in case, if those are not running, what kind of email notification you will get? That is configured here in this templates. A little bit of somewhere. I saw the replication not running, the backup not running. Licensed users. In case, if your license reached to 90%, immediately you need to get one notification. So that template is also available here. Scroll down. And then what does this guy do basically? Password is about to expire. So we have configured that master policy every 90 days. So in case, after 85 days also, it is unable to change the password due to some issue. Then you will get an email notification. Password is about to expire. Okay. And how do I edit this guy? So I just come here and edit the text of what I want and where is the email ID I could key in email ID. So in the SMTP configuration you have sent right. You need to enter one email ID. Send that email. Where is that? That is in PowerAgentinf, not here. Okay. Sorry, not PowerAgentinf. Configuration. Click on Cancel. It was in the wizard itself, right here. Click on Setup Wizard on the top. Yeah. Okay, then select Email Notifications. Where did it go? Okay. Next. Yeah. Here we just give the SMTP ID, then the email ID and display name. What will be your recipient domains? It's not required below PVWR and you can't finish. Okay, so here, if it is behind the VIP, we can just give the VIP as well, right? Maybe the VIP string. Yep. Okay, so this will be here until the password vault, or how is it? Until the password. Okay. Nothing beyond that of a version says B10 or whatever. No. Okay. Let me share my screen again. Sure. Okay. So recently they have renamed it to Application Access Manager.